Kinakain ko lang siya.
Di ba, ayun yung naguluhan dahil ito yung dito ko siya nag-get so, yung R tsaka 7. Tapos sino na 7 yung maximum sanity 0 tsaka column. Pero hindi naman natin na-cover yun eh. Maximum na. Oo nga eh. Nag-uwi.
Hi guys. Ginawan kami ni Isa ng cinnamon rolls ba yun? Here. Thank you, Isa. And then showed them the sauce.
So this is the sauce.
What's that?
This is
Matcha,
matcha
and
and then
the regular milk.
sour cream. Cream cheese, whatever. Isa made it for us.
Gawin natin siyang dip para hindi...
Ayun nga eh. Which flavor first?
Ito pintugan.
Sea salt? Kaya pala. 1, 2, 3.
Sobrang tamis.
No joke.
Wait lang guys.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Isa. Squishy hunting. Kunwari hindi alam.
Uy, hindi ko talaga alam. Ulit. Thank you so much for this award. I would like to give it. Di ba nasa box?
Saan siya galing? Ay, ayun.
Any.
Okay. Check order.
Hello.
Pang basa talaga yan ang ate.
Push mo na naman. Ano?
Ako sa ano natin?
Ano? Ayaw mo ibang frame yung iba? Pwede. Para masaya. Masaya ko na lang. Ito. Mas ganda na. Or ganda. Okay, game! Or anong pose? Tali ko rin yung game. Ay, mag-over na ako.
Meron na naman. Guys, ito bang version?
Bango niya. Ano yung matcha boat?
Mali.
10 minutes tayo magiging 20.
Let our 15-minute walk begin.
Is it really 15 minutes?
Or less.
No, or more.
Cross now. May squishy din yan tadi. Ay guys, may kasama kami pero mabilis lang talaga kami maglakad. Ito lang pala. Where's the squishy is? On the way to Fuji.
The original na matcha. Sa Japan. Mini ano lang.
Super. Changing cafe. Bawal umulan. What if sa Pancake House na lang mag-dinner? Ayan o. Guys, we're going to... Ano ba yun? FM something cafe. Ay, di ba pala? Can do this.
Sana yung pawis.
Yun yung dalawa na uuna na. Mainit lang. Welcoming the debutant.
Good weather. Hindi yung ano ni Harry Potter. Matcha nga. The red velvet.
Ano yung sweet na matcha?
Ganyan kayo.
Mas malapit na rin.
Like, picture. Oh my
Tapusin mo na. Yuhu, pauwi na kami. Hi guys, it's been a while since I last vlogged. I have to cover something today. Sa Razon, 7 to 8 p.m. So, walang tao guys.
Post amazing race. We're feeling amazing. Ang siyang low zone ng green. Mas paakyat. Ay, so.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys, I'm gonna buddy.
Annyeong.
Ayun!
Oh, tara na tanggalin. Halika dito, tama na. Pag yan! Hindi ako magkaya ka.
How do you feel?
Pauwi na kakain.
Okay, we're gonna eat.
Isip yung pinin ko.
Guys, we're going bonding sa life. Now we're on the way to Mysterious Falls. Bumabawi ako sa vlogs kasi diba 2 weeks akong hindi nag-vlog.
Tama na yung sale. Nacho for less than 24 hours.
Kaya nung lahat sila nakasabay sa break natin na pumayag ka. Hindi. Pero feeling ko naman.
Bili ko kasi yun. Ano na yung first term, I'm done.
Hey guys, and good morning. I'm currently on campus. I decided to treat myself with some ice cream. Also today is Saturday, but I'm on campus because I have an org meeting to attend to. Tapos, kakatapos lang din ng NSTP class ko. We had an online class today just to wrap things up. I can't believe it's been like 6 to 7 months na magkakasama kami ng same set of people. Towards the end, you know, saying goodbye to the kids. Obviously, I didn't film anything. Also, I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot of updates. We're moving. We're moving houses. It's really exciting. Yung nakita niyong clips from a few days ago was me kind of fixing my room a little bit. We're not gonna be officially moving until August, pero still, you know, we're already in the process of doing everything. Nakaka-excite na nakakatakot because a lot of changes are happening. And what else? A lot of changes actually, which is why I think it's very important for me to just sit here and be alone and actually get to sit on my own thoughts because I haven't been able to do that. And I realized ko lang din siya kahapon when I was like, oh, I wanna vlog today kasi nga I wanna, you know, talk about my thoughts and feelings. So I'm here right now sa SJ Walk. May neighbors ako right now, but I'm glad na nakakapagsalita pa rin ako, like di ako nahiya or anything. Also, first year is about to end, which is just so weird. Like, feeling ko kasi since TriSem, mas mahaba, di ba, yung duration. But at the same time, it felt so fast and parang hindi rin ako makapaniwala na it's about to end. Also, did I talk about why I'm here on campus today? I have an org meeting to attend to, and that's in a little bit actually, so I have to kind of rush eating my ice cream. On my way to the room. But I don't know if I can vlog because my org mates are gonna be there, so. I'm done. Pauwi na ako, guys.